Hey everyone, it's Paola from WTI and I am holding the ultimate fanny pack for dog walkers. I am a big fan of being hands-free when I'm walking my dog, but I always need somewhere to put my dog bags, my treats, as well as my phone. Now, I wish I was one of those people that walked without their phone, but the reality is that I'm not. So I have this perfect little pouch. It's really comfortable and it has this breathable mesh on this side. So once you do start sweating, it's gonna still feel nice and comfortable. It has this good quality belt buckle right here that you can adjust. And I love that MalsiPree's water bottle is compatible with this. I can put it right here in this pocket and I am completely set to go. I even can put my wallet in here or keys if I'm gonna be going anywhere further than my usual box. Overall, if you are a dog walker, get yourself a fanny pack like this that has it all. You will be so happy when you don't have to remember to pack doggy bags anymore because they are permanently all here. Get yourself this dog fanny pack by MalsiPree. But that's just my point of view.